Go ninja, go ninja, go. Go ninja, go ninja, go. Go ninja, go ninja, go. Go.
Just a little insight of where we're going tomorrow, John.
Tomorrow's gonna be San Luis Reservoir for some striper fishing, and first time out there, so we're gonna see what's out there. Supposedly it's hitting hard right now.
Prospect.
That campus school.
Introduce yourself, sir.
My name's John Sacy. I've been hitting the gym lately, getting like 30 pounds. And no one knew.
Gearing up. I'm gonna check it out tomorrow. San Luis Reservoir. Hopefully we get some big king stripers like everybody's been talking about. See you guys tomorrow. We are here, San Luis Reservoir. A little pit stop real quick before we hit the lake. Tell them where you at, John.
San Luis Reservoir, homie.
What you about to do today?
Oh, get him like that.
Out here, it's cold. Visibility is a little low. It's a little hazy, as you can see. Anxious to get on the lake, get some striper bass. Update you guys later. It's that time, baby. Bass Ninja's first time out here. San Luis Reservoir. Hopefully we get some striped bass today. No bueno, huh, guys?
No. Just barely started. Got snacks? Where's the snacks?
So far, no bites. Try to get the early morning fish, but unsuccessful at the moment.
Nothing.
We'll try it again.
Take your best.
Woo! Hey, there's a lot of fish marking right here, bro. Nah, you can't fish right here. It's the Bass Ninja spot.
Get them hooks it, boys. Another one. Oh, dang, took my bait this time. Oh, this one's big.
Yeah.
This one's bigger. Ooh, ooh. Get him. Bring him up. Bring him up. Woo! Keep her up. Maybe, huh?
Must be that one. Looks like it.
Yes, baby. Woo, get him hooked set. Oh, baby, it is, dude.
Oh, no, man.
18 right there. Right there, right at the spot. Alright, that's what we came here for. And your boy did it. 2 and 3. 5 today.
So, need a net? Yeah?
Oh shit, it's fine. Oh, little one. Woo! Another one.
Alright, we're gonna throw it back in.
See it out, baby.
Right there, right there, right there. Big?
Not really. Alright, when you're touching these, you gotta be careful. Dorsal fin means pokey. Damn.
Put them on the bottom.
I gotta put him down. I gotta put him down. There we go. That's the best way to get it. See you now, baby.
Big?
Small. Oh, black bass this time. These are always fun to get to. Call them black bass over here. Back home, call them largemouth. Get 2 species today for the price of 1. Let's see it on, man. Alright, buddies, how it do?
A skunk, man. Skunk, man. What can I say?
Baku.
Sponsored by Skunk 2 Racing. Can't catch nothing.
Can't catch nothing, can't reel nothing.
It's
Next
all
time,
right.
prospect, next time.
I'm still learning.
You over there taking a nap?
Still trying to get
Not
it.
yet. Alright, end of day results. We got about 7 to 8 today. A couple of black bass, largemouth, and then some striped bass today. It's pretty good.
Don't forget the skunks.
Yeah, don't forget the skunk ninjas.
Well, we got a few people on the boats here that got skunked, but I'll pull through for them too. So, you know, Bass Ninjas, we got to do it for each other. It's one team, it's one love. Did pretty good. During the day, it was kind of, you know, almost lost hope, but we came down from the reservoir down to the forebay, O'Neill forebay, and it was pretty good. In the beginning in the forebay too, it was kind of slow, but then we came back and we kind of trolled around the bank area by the dock, and you know, there was some there. Surprisingly, we did get it on the Carolina rigs, so that was something different as far as stripe fishing. But overall, did okay. Pulled through for the team on the clutch, and hopefully you guys like the video. Peace.